throbbing headache. Is it just physical pain or a sign of something deeper? What if I told you that this tension is energetic pressure that has built up? And what if there was an ancient technique to release that pressure in under 3 minutes? Today we are exploring a mysterious headache ritual called the silver thread. This isn't just a pain reliever, it's a powerful energy reset for mental clarity. What you need for this ancient wisdom is likely already in your home. First, a silver or white candle. Silver represents the calming energy of the moon. Second, a bowl of cool water. Water is an element that absorbs and carries away negative energy. And finally, your breath, the power of your intention. If you are ready, let's begin. Follow the steps carefully. Step 1. Fire and water. First, light your candle. Watch the calm dance of the flame. Now, slowly dip your fingertips into the bowl of cool water. Feel the intention of the fire and the purity of the water. Step 2. The circle and the whisper. With those wet fingers, slowly draw a circle on your forehead, right over your third eye. As you draw the circle, whisper these ancient words. Pain unwind, light return. Pain unwind, light return. Step 3. Visualization, the most important part. Now close your eyes. Imagine a silver thread extending from the very crown of your head. Visualize this thread gently but powerfully pulling all the tension, all that pressure, all that chaotic energy out of your head. See the tension leaving your body, being drawn up into the universe through that silver thread. Step 4. Completion and rest. When you feel ready, extinguish the candle. Not by blowing it out, but with a snuffer or carefully. Do not scatter the energy. Now, sit in silence for 3 minutes. Just rest. Allow your field to reset and let the stillness fill the empty space. So what is the secret behind this simple ritual? It is symbolism and energy direction. Silver connects to the feminine, calm, and receptive energy of the moon. It soothes the mind. Water is one of the most powerful energy absorbers. It absorbs the energetic pressure coming from you and neutralizes it. When you combine these two, you reset your energy field to stillness. You take away the chaos and replace it with tranquility. A very important reminder, before you try this ancient wisdom, rituals like this are meant to support energy and balance. They can feel wonderful, but they never replace professional medical advice. If your headaches persist, become frequent, or worsen, please consult a doctor or medical professional immediately. True health comes from the mind, body, and spirit working together. Will you try this silver thread ritual? Or are there other ancient techniques you know? Share with us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hidden knowledge and ancient rituals. Stay in the light.